a question I get asked more than almost any other. Should I go for ISB or IIM? And every time I hear it, I end up asking, which ISB program, which IIM program, and which career stage are you at? Because here's what most people don't realize. ISB is not one program. IIM is not one program. Between ISB and the 21 IIMs, there are probably 15 to 20 distinct MBA and management programs, and the right choice isn't about ISB versus IIM at all. It's about matching the right program to your career stage, your profile, and your goals. If we haven't met before, hi, I am Madhuri, an ISB alumna and your go-to person for all things higher education and career. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. In this video, I am going to give you the map for navigating the ISB versus IIM conundrum. I lay out every major ISB program and its corresponding IIM program equivalent, all organized by career stages, so that by the end, you know exactly which programs are relevant to you and which ones you should be researching. Let's get started. Before I walk you through the programs, I want to establish one mental model that will make all of this much cleaner. Instead of asking ISB versus IIM, start thinking, where am I in my career right now and what kind of program is designed for where I am in my life and where I want to go in the future. I am going to break this down across 4 career stages. For each one, I'll tell you which ISB and IIM programs are relevant, what they offer and how to choose between them. Career stage 1 is fresh graduate or early career. You have just finished your bachelor's or you are 1 to 2 years into the workforce. You are ambitious, you are clear that you want to go into management and you don't want to wait 7 years to start your MBA journey. ISB option for this career stage is the PGP VIAL, the Postgraduate Program in Management for Young Leaders. This is ISB's newest program launched in 2025. It's a 20-month full-time residential program at ISB's Hyderabad campus. You need a bachelor's degree and a maximum of 2 years of WorkX as of the date of joining. So even fresh graduates are eligible. It accepts GMAT, GRE or CAT scores, all from physical test centers. The curriculum covers all core MBA subjects such as strategy, finance, marketing, operations, combined with an emphasis on technology, data analytics, and entrepreneurship. There's a mandatory summer internship at the end of first year and full placement support in the second year. Fees are approximately 30 lakhs inclusive of accommodation. The batch size is around 130 to 140 students. It's a highly competitive program with an estimated acceptance rate of 5 to 7%. The corresponding IIM option is their flagship 2-year PGP. This is the classic MBA route for this career stage in India. The 2-year PGP at IIM A, B, C and other IIMs is primarily CAT based for the Indian applicants. It includes summer internships, electives, case-based learning and campus placements. Fees range from around 20 to 33 lakhs depending on the IIM that you are going for. So how do you choose between the two? If IIM A, B or C is within your reach with CAT, go there. The legacy, placement record and brand equity in Indian corporate circles are exceptional and unbeatable at this time. If you have a strong GMAT or GRE and are drawn to ISB's global positioning, smaller cohort and innovation-focused curriculum, PGP VIAL is worth serious consideration for you, especially if you are comparing against newer or mid-tier IIMs. One important caveat on PGP VIAL though, it's a new program, so there is no placement data yet. When the first batch graduates in 2027, we'll know how it's working out. But that's an unknown you need to factor in. Career stage 2 is the mid-career professional. You have a solid 3 to 7 years of WorkX, you've grown in your career, you know what you're good at, and you want to make a significant leap into leadership, into a new function, or even into a new industry. ISB option for this career stage is their flagship 1-year PGP. This is the program that I did. It's ISB's most competitive and placement powerful offering. Minimum of 2 years of WorkX is required, with the average cohort having like 4 to 5 years of WorkX. It's a 1-year intensive residential program at ISB's Hyderabad and Mohali campuses. It accepts GMAT or GRE. Fees for the year 2026-2027 is approximately 38 lakhs. Placement data showed that they had an average CTC of 34 lakhs per annum. 70% of the batch switched industries and 74% changed functional roles, which tells you exactly how powerful this program is as a career pivot vehicle. This program is also ranked 27th globally by the Financial Times in 2025, making it the highest ranked Indian business school at this time. The corresponding IIM option for this stage is their 2-year PGP. It is technically accessible at this stage if you have a strong CAT score, but here's the honest truth. If you have 5 to 6 years of solid WorkX and you sit in an IIM 2-year PGP classroom, many of your classmates will be fresh graduates or have 1 year of experience. That changes the peer learning dynamic and is not the best use of the experience you have built. The better IIM options for mid-career professionals are actually the one-year executive programs, PGPX at IIM-A, EPGP at IIM-B, and MBAX at IIM-C. These are designed for exactly this career stage, but I'll cover those in the next section because they tend to attract people with even more experience. So the verdict for mid-career professionals? ISB PGP versus IIM 2-year PGP is not the right comparison. If you are 3 to 5 years in, ISB's 1-year PGP is honestly one of the strongest options. If global MBA is on your radar, ISB's global ranking also makes it a compelling alternative to programs abroad. Career stage 3 is the senior professional. You are a seasoned professional with 7 to 15 years of experience. You are managing teams, you have significant business exposure, and you are targeting the next step into the C-suite or into the senior leadership role or into a significant business transformation. There are two options for this stage at ISB. First is the PGP Pro, which is a part-time working professional MBA, meaning you continue working while attending classes on weekends. It requires a minimum of 5 years of experience, and the fees for the year 2026-2027 are approximately 31 lakhs plus GST. No formal placement program, but career advancement support is available. This is ideal if you are sponsored by your employer or you want to upskill without leaving your current role. The second option is PGP Max, which is a more executive level program designed for senior leaders looking to develop strategic leadership capabilities and a peer network at the same level. Fees for this program is approximately 41 lakhs. There are 3 corresponding IIM options for this career stage. PGPX at IIM-A, it's a 1-year full-time executive MBA. It requires significant work experience, like typically 7+ years, and the fees is approximately 35 to 37 lakhs with an average placement package of around 37 lakhs per annum. It's strong for senior roles in consulting, strategy, and general management. EPGP at IIM-B, 1-year full-time executive program, similar experience requirement, strong consulting and technology placement outcomes. The third is MBAX at IIM-C, 1-year executive MBA, again similar profile. This stage is where ISB and IIM are most directly comparable. Both have strong 1-year executive programs targeting similar profiles. ISB's global ranking and international curriculum give it an edge if international mobility is your goal. PGPX at IIM-A carries exceptional brand weight in Indian corporate circles and has strong legacy in consulting and finance. If you want to stay in India and your target companies recruit heavily from IIM-A, PGPX is a strong option. If your goals are more internationally oriented or if you want ISB's alumni ecosystem combined with a senior peer cohort, PGP Max or PGP Pro may serve you better depending on whether you want to leave your current role. One more category worth mentioning is the career stage 4, which is the functional expert wanting domain credentials at any stage. ISB offers advanced management programs, which are called AMPs, which are shorter non-degree executive education programs in specific domains like data analytics, finance, marketing, digital strategy, and healthcare management. These are not MBA programs, but they serve a specific need. Someone who already has management experience and wants structured learning and ISB certification in a particular function without committing to a full MBA. IIMs offer equivalent management development programs and certificate courses. These are often employer-sponsored and run over a few months rather than 1 to 2 years. If you are a functional specialist who wants a credential rather than a career switch, these shorter programs are worth exploring before committing to a full MBA. Let's look at our complete map now. 0 to 2 years of WorkX, ISB's 20-month PGP YL versus IIM's 2-year PGP. 3 to 7 years of experience, ISB PGP 1-year flagship program. This is the sweet spot for ISB. 7 to 15 years of experience, ISB PGP Pro part-time or PGP Max senior versus IIM's PGPX, EPGP or MBAX, which are 1-year executive programs. Domain upskilling at any stage. Both offer management development programs. The reason most people end up confused about ISB versus IIM is that they're comparing across different career stages. Once you know your career stage and map it to the right program, the comparison becomes much more specific, much more useful, and much easier to make. If you would like to work through which of these programs fits your specific profile, your years of experience, your goals, your test scores, that's what I help with in my one-on-one consultations. The link to schedule a call with me is mentioned in the description box. I have also done deep dive videos on each of these programs and all the links are mentioned in the description box. Drop your questions in the comments, like the video if it helped, share it with someone who's been trying to make this decision, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.